Solo ads are a great way to drive traffic to your sites and to build a list. If you don't know what a solo ad is, it's where you pay somebody to email their list of subscribers and to email them your offer, whether it's a paid or a free offer. Most commonly, it's a free offer where they would opt in for something to get onto your list. So therefore, it's a great list building tool. Now, in this video series, I'm going to be showing you 6 solo ad vendors or list brokers that can tap into millions of subscribers. I mean, the smallest solo ad provider here has about 60,000 subscribers, but that's the exception. All the others have access to millions of subscribers. So this is not your typical solo ad Rolodex in which they just show you various solo ad vendors that have lists of 5,000 to 50,000. Okay, we're talking about big solo ad vendors here and list brokers. Okay, another thing that makes this different from most solo ad courses or Rolodexes is that this one doesn't cater just to the internet marketing niche. Because if you look around online, look for solo ad courses or Rolodexes, they usually just provide you with a list of solo ad vendors that cater to the internet marketing niche. Okay, so in this video series, I'm going to be showing you the vendors that cater to not just internet marketing, but all types of niches, from health, finance, political, self-help, almost anything that you can think of. If you're involved in any type of niche marketing, some of these solo ad providers may be of help to you. Alright, so with that said, let's move on from here and let's check out the first solo ad provider on my list here. So we'll see you in the next video. This is Arcomax.com, the website of Arcomax. And if you're looking to send out a solo ad and you're in a small niche, or it doesn't really matter what niche you're in, this is a great solo ad provider. They cover almost every niche out there. They have a reach of over 1 million subscribers. And if you just look around their site, they offer different advertising services. So not just solo ads, but they also offer CoreEdge, banner advertising, and also offline list rental. And if you look around, you could also look at the list of all their newsletters. They have dozens and dozens of newsletters in various niches, so they have subscribers in almost every niche out there. Now, just a few highlights of Arcomax. They do online tracking, they do A/B split testing. You can also target by zip code, and you could also do demographic targeting. So basically you can direct your offer to, or basically segment it to gender, location, marital status, income, age, and so on. And so basically you can efficiently allocate your online marketing budget so that you send your messages to people who are much more likely to respond. Now here is Newsmax.com. Newsmax has a reach of over 10 million subscribers, and the niches that they would cater to are health, finance, lifestyle, charity, political, and maybe some other niches related to those. And about Newsmax, basically they focus on the conservative political space, slightly to the right of Fox. And their users are generally affluent and care about health, finances, and politics. So right now I'm just on their media page. If you scroll down below, you could read more information on this page. And basically, their readers shop online according to this page, and that they donate generously to charities and political causes. And so basically, the important thing for you here is that Newsmax readers are buyers. All right, and if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you could also download a media kit in PDF format. Okay, but once again, I just want to stress to you that these guys have a reach of over 10 million responsive subscribers. So definitely worth checking out if you want someone to send out a solo ad for you for your website in one of those niches that they cover. This is intermarkets.net, and so Intermarkets is a company that can send out solo ads for you, and they have a reach of around 15 million subscribers, and they basically have their own in-house lists, and they also have partner lists, but their main site is drudge.com or the drudgereport.com. So let me just switch over here. This is the media kit for the Drudge Report, the main site that they partner with, and just looking at some stats here. Every month they get about 14 million unique visitors. So there's various other advertising opportunities with these guys that you can use, but basically if you're looking for a large solo ad provider, intermarkets.net is a great site to go to. They partner up with drudge.com or the drudgereport.com, which, if you don't know by now, is an alternative media site. According to here, it covers news and events that the mainstream media ignores. So highly recommend you check out these guys for advertising opportunities, and also if you're looking for information that's the mainstream does not cover, you should check out drudgereport.com. Now here is one of the longest running e-magazines on the internet. This publication is focused on email marketing for small businesses and home-based businesses, and they generally get about 500 new subscribers every month. They have a total of around 63,000, and basically the subscribers of this company, DEMC, you can go to their site demc.com, are almost exclusively people involved in business. So a lot of the readers are business owners, a lot of who do business online, a lot of entrepreneurs, opportunity seekers, and business professionals. So this is perfect for you if you market to the make money niche or business opportunity or anything related to business. Over 100,000 clicks per day are available through this guy. The site I'm on is trafficforme.com, and this was started by Harris Feldman. And through his lists and through partnering with other publishers, he has access to a tremendous number of business opportunity, internet marketing, self-help, health and diet, and finance lists. So basically, if you're in any of those niches, I highly recommend you check out trafficforme.com. You can see to the right here some testimonials from happy customers, and down below here he's got videos for you. He's got a video for advertisers, so if you're looking for a solo ad provider, you want someone to send on a solo ad for you, he's got information on how this all works. And if you're a publisher, well, he's got a video for you too if you're looking to partner up with someone. Now these guys are list brokers and have access to hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And the site I'm looking at is dedicatedemails.com. It's a site or company started by Brian and Mike Littman, who specialize in brokering. And basically their lists are business opportunities, self-help, and health. So basically, if you're involved in any of those niches and would like to send out a solo ad, you could contact these guys. And if you have a list and are interested in different ways you can make money with that list, you're looking for additional income stream, you could click here where it says list brokerage and you could partner up with them. As it says here, you could earn as much as $25,000 extra from your list each month. So basically, this is a great opportunity for you if you already have a list, and also if you want to grow your list, certainly contact these guys.